Yes? So I'm trying next the Jour. It's a 5+ traverse. It starts here, then goes here, and then up here. The crux is certainly this end part. I think this should all be fine. But then the end part is quite slopey, and I'm not 100% sure how to do it. But I think up until here it should go quite smoothly, and then we will see about the end.
I'm gonna spot this tree. Is that appreciated?
Mm-hmm.
Yes. So as expected, this right end part didn't work smoothly. I think I now saw that before. I was a bit too much on the left hand side because there it's more slopey. So I think if I go a bit further to the right, there's a better spot for the right hand.
That is how Harvey looks like when he's spotting.
It's okay. Yeah. So there it was really a bit further to the right, it was better. Then here you just had to figure out the edges, because some are quite good, some are quite slopey. But if you stick the right hand, it's okay. It's a nice problem.
So now it's Harvey's turn.
Harvey, you're safe. I will spot you.
So Klaus is doing Harvey's way of spotting. Keep a safe distance.
Yeah, that's okay. It doesn't get better than this. No. It's like the left hand.
Go, you can put the left foot in this one hole.
Higher?
Make it the left foot in this one hole. Down.
Yeah.
That can help you.
Try to join. I'm behind you.
What was the problem? There was nothing for the foot?
Yeah, I think then you need to go up with the right hand so that maybe at some point you maybe join the hands.
Where did I have my left hand?
I think the left hand was like on this one.
Yeah, I just tried to get up with the right foot here, and I connected it.
Yeah.
And then I lost all balance when I fell.
Yeah. I think maybe it's easier to put the right foot up if the right hand is more to the left. Maybe.
You mean left?
Yeah, because I think I put it up when I had both hands there. Because then maybe it's easier to position the right foot, because otherwise you might be maybe a bit more shaky.
You can put your right foot a bit up. If this helps, or your left foot.
Damn it. So next we have the Le Petit Toit. It's a 6A. I saw a video of it and it looked like okay, it looks nice and it doesn't look far away. But now that I'm standing here, the move actually looks quite far away. So let's see. I guess I will give it a quick burn to see whether it's completely unrealistic or not. And I think it's quite slopey up there, but yeah, let's give it a try.
Come on, yeah!
Last attempt was worked better than expected. I think maybe if I commit a bit more, then hopefully I could stick the move. At least I think I need like maybe half a centimeter more, and then so let's see.
Yes, now you have it. Nice.
I'm not done.
Match hands.
Oh, damn it.
Very nice.
It's nice. So I'm not sure whether you expected to get it here or here. I mean, here it's a bit lower and it's a better edge. Let's just say it's expected to end here. I guess maybe I could also have moved a bit further to the side, but yeah, it's okay like this. How do you say go for it in Spanish?
Vamos.
Just vamos. Sounds a bit boring, but vamos.
Vaya por ahí.
Oh, that was close. Go again. You can say it again in German.
Ich kann das sagen.
Very good.
Very good.
How do you say it in Spanish?
Yo puedo hacerlo.
Okay.
Yo puedo con esta mierda.
You can do it.
I wish I remember what position I had.
A bit further. Yes? Further to the right? Yes, nice, Javi. Yes, very good.
Yeah, yeah. Continue with your right hand, yeah.
Yes, come on. Nice, come on, you can do it.
This goes to talk all my fancy Germany.
Ja. Ja. Sehr gut.
So next is Le Pigeon, I think. I'm not completely sure where I'm allowed to start. I think somewhere here and then goes to the left. There's also a direct version, I think goes here, but I'm not going to try this version which goes to the left. And as I'm not completely sure, we'll just start right like here. Okay. It always helps to check out the boulder before.
How was it?
Yeah, so if you directly go to the right and then use this, because there you actually have a good pocket, then it's quite easy.
Good.
Yeah, but it's a nice problem.
We had a nice trip here in Fontainebleau. It was really nice. Now it's the last day. We go back, and yeah, I hope we are here soon again.
Yes, so as we don't know how many videos we'll actually do, I guess something in between 2 and 4 or 5. We'll just shoot this one outro and just append it to each video. So if you have any questions, just drop a comment. If you like it, give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I hope that we can do some further outdoor footage, but maybe also some indoor footage, we'll see.